Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start your own business, and I'm going to point you in the direction where you need to go to get all this pertinent information, very detail oriented. In the videos, I talk about how to finance your business without going in debt, very easy way of financing your business. I talk about having a catchy name. I talk about where to go and get your LLC without having a lawyer. It's very beneficial to be an LLC, and I will get into videos to tell you what the pros and cons with it. I also talk about after you do all that, you got to go to the IRS and watch what you have to do with the IRS, and then go get your business license. After you have your business license, I talk about where you can get your business cards, where you can create a website extremely easy. Because you want to be very visual with your business, and people are going to be looking you up and your reputation. And I'm also going to talk about where you can get your business phone number, and it will pay for itself, and you're going to be very happy. I'm not talking about Google Voice either. I'm talking about something very professional, and you're going to be very happy versus somebody having your personal number thinking that you're their 24-hour mechanic. That doesn't work that way. I talk about where you can get your shirts at. I give you all the websites. I talk about where you can get your pants at, extremely cheap, that are very professional, but it's gonna, take a beating because you're gonna be spending a lot of stuff on yourself. Where you can get some tools at on a very extremely budget. I have a couple options for you to get just to get you started. You don't have to be Superman with the gold hammer. You can start with one that's real cheap, and I'm gonna show you where to get that at. Got my notes. I'm going to talk to you about accepting payments and what kind you should stay away from. And if you do, starting off, where you should go. We're going to talk about your bank account. You got to have a business bank account. You can't get around that. That's just, you really got to get one. We'll talk about what kind of vehicles you have. If you're starting off on a budget, which one you can buy and what are the benefits and pros and cons. Talk about the vehicle signs, because when you're driving by, you want to advertise. I'll tell you where to get all that from. I tell you where I get my labor charges, what I charge per job, and how I do it, and how I completely have it set up. And I'll also talk to you about a website. And I'll also talk to you about different places where you need to advertise. You can get yourself on a very small budget, get yourself out there. Now, I want you to remember one thing. Just because you get these steps, one step is not going to make your business work. I also talk about the documents you need. That is the foundation. That is the rules, the regulations. I have all this set up for you. I have advertisement already typed up verbatim. I got, if you want cheat sheets about air conditions to resolve them real quick. I have the fuel trim. I have the ignition and compression. I have limit to liability. I have all these documents, and where to get all this information at is literally going to be on the description below. Once you go there, you click on it, it'll take you to the website, and then once you choose whatever choices you make, you'll be able to see whatever videos you need about LLC, everything that I spoke upon. I'm here for you to help you set up your business, and I also do one-on-one consultations if you need a lot more information. Some people, they're visual, and some people audio. I will help you either way. I have over 30-something years of experience. I made mistakes. I don't want you to make these mistakes. I want you to go from beer money to champagne money. And I'm here for you guys. I'm here to support you. And if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.